Hello, dyers and woodworking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless circular saws, revolutionizing woodwork. Whether you're a pro or a weekend warrior, join us as we discover the best options and guide you to the perfect tool for your projects. Let's begin. Milwaukee 2732-20 Cordless Circular Saw. The Milwaukee 2732-20 Cordless Circular Saw is a high-performance, cordless saw ideal for professionals in carpentry, remodeling, and contracting. It combines the power and cutting speed of a 15 corded saw with the convenience of cordless operation using M18 fuel technology. Its power-state brushless motor maintains a rapid 5,800 RPM cutting speed even under heavy loads, and the Red Link Plus intelligence system ensures safety and longevity. The M18 Red Lithium High-Output HD 12.0 battery offers excellent runtime. With all magnesium guards and shoe, an integrated rafter hook, LED light, dust port, and electric brake, this saw is durable, efficient, and perfect for job sites. Black Plus Decker BDCCS 20B Cordless Circular Saw. The Black Plus Decker BDCCS 20B Cordless Circular Saw is a versatile and precise tool for DIY enthusiasts. Its 5-to-1/2-inch blade provides fast and accurate cuts for various projects. The variable speed trigger offers control and bevel detents at 45 and 90 degrees, simplify angled cuts. Tool-free depth adjustment and blade changes make setup easy. It's part of the Power Connect battery system for cost-saving convenience. With a high-torque motor and a compact design, it's ideal for tight spaces. Plus, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty for added confidence. Makita XSS02Z Cordless Circular Saw. The Makita XSS02Z Cordless Circular Saw is a powerful job site tool with a high-torque motor, reaching 3,700 RPM for fast cutting. Its precision machine base ensures precise cuts even in tough conditions, and it can bevel cut up to 50 degrees for versatility. Weighing only 7.3 pounds, battery not included, it's lightweight for reduced fatigue. The 6-to-1/2-inch blade handles various cutting needs, and the rubberized grip enhances comfort. Safety is ensured with star protection computer controls. Compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, it offers both convenience and performance. With a 3-year limited warranty, it's a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Skill CR 540,602 Cordless Circular Saw. The Skill CR 540,602 Cordless Circular Saw is your ideal DIY companion. Powered by the PVR Core 20 lithium battery, it offers extended runtime and battery life. Innovative temperature management keeps the battery cool. The thin curved carbide tip blade ensures clean and fast cuts. A built-in saw line visor helps maintain straight cuts, and the quick bevel adjustment goes from 0 to 50 degrees for versatility. Operating at 4,500 RPM, it's efficient. With a 5-year limited warranty, it's a reliable and durable tool for woodworking projects, ensuring precision and ease. Ryobi 1 P505 Cordless Circular Saw. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Ryobi P505 Circular Saw is a reliable choice for your cutting tasks. Its cordless design provides exceptional portability, allowing you to take it anywhere around your property for various DIY or demolition projects. At 4,700 RPM, its potent motor matches corded circular saw's cutting capacity, all with cordless convenience. Key features include the grip zone overmold, handles for improved handling in different conditions, and an extra side handle for enhanced control and visibility. The transparent lower guard ensures maximum visibility during your cuts, and you can adjust the bevel up to 50 degrees for versatile angle cutting. This circular saw is compatible with Ryobi's 18-volt batteries, making it a convenient addition to your tool collection. It comes with a 5.5 blade and onboard wrench storage for quick blade changes. Thank you for tuning into our guide on the best cordless circular saws. We trust that this video has assisted you in narrowing down your options and selecting the ideal cordless circular saw for your projects. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.